These are some new under cabinet lights I got from Amazon. You have the ability to wire these both in series or parallel. Here's the little hub that it comes with that everything gets connected to. So if I was going to wire them in parallel, I would use all those. I opted for series, so I just have them connected as they go the whole way through. We'll start over here first. So there is a little kill switch it does come with, so I can do full operation right from that. However, since they are so bright, there is a little dimmer switch here where I can turn it down. There are plenty of adhesive strips. There's also screws and brackets included with this, so you have the option of how you want to attach them to your cabinets. I had opted for the adhesive strips, which are behind basically everything here. Plenty of little cord adhesive strip attachments here, so everything is hidden. You cannot see anything standing up. You literally have to look underneath to see anything. And basically just wired it the whole way across to give some additional lighting in the kitchen area. If you want to dim, the dimmer switch is here, and you'll see it'll take it to almost nothing. And you do have the ability to turn it off completely from the dimmer switch as well. And then just turn it back on, and whatever amount of light you prefer, you are able to do.